What's up, fams? We got to talk about this. And if you guys are new to the channel, make sure you guys hit that sub button and shout out to my gang. Oh man, it's being reported that 6ix9ine's mother cried in court, and we'll talk about that in 1 second. Now, you guys know, right? 6ix9ine, of course, he's been overseas. Now, a lot of you guys were surprised yesterday to find out that he was arrested. Like, people say, yo, Dom, I thought 6ix9ine said he was coming back in 6 days. Well, I got a theory about that, and I'm going to tell you guys that in 1 second. But 6ix9ine was arrested on an outstanding warrant that he received because he ended up grabbing some kid by his shirt in Houston 6 months ago because the kid was trying to get a moment, man. He was following behind 6ix9ine in the mall saying, yo, look at this walking gay ice cream truck. And he was recording, and 6ix9ine said, He grabbed him by his shirt, which freaking put bruises all over his neck. And he's like, delete. I don't know if 6ix9ine thought nothing was going to happen or whatever the case is, man, but you can't be putting your hands on people, man, especially when you're worth millions of dollars, right? People are going to want that bag. So the kid and his family, they end up pressing charges. 6ix9ine ends up getting a warrant. That warrant has been sitting there. And Lord behold, when he came back from overseas to JFK Airport in New York, the New York police arrested him. Here's the thing, guys. Tekashi appeared in court. Now, his team, of course, they wanted to get him released because, you know, this is nothing but a misdemeanor charge, but they're taking the situation very serious, man. And the reason they're taking it serious is because Tekashi has been doing a lot of clown stuff online. He's been allegedly involved in shootings. He has allegedly squished the hand of a police officer, and they hit him with assaulting police officer charges. So this is all happening while he's on probation. Now, while he was in court, what made his mother cry was the fact that the judge was not happy with Tekashi. The judge felt that 6ix9ine handled this whole warrant thing horribly, right? He's been knowing that he had a warrant out for his arrest for months. He didn't go to Houston to clear it up. He thought that he can go to this city, that city, go out of town, go out of country, and he was going to come back like everything was going to be okay. And the judge had a problem with that. The judge is holding him without bail because they feel he's a flight risk. They feel that he may just up and go to anywhere and probably not come back. Now, I'm letting you guys know something right now, man. I'm smelling something. You guys smell that? I'm smelling it. I'm telling you guys right now, I feel that there's a lot more that's going to come with this. You may not want to hear it, but I'm letting you guys know there's a lot more that's coming with this, man. I don't care what Tekashi says. I don't care what anyone says. Let me break this down for you guys. When Tekashi was arrested in the airport, he had his lawyer with him. Now, that should tell you guys one thing, right? Like, why the hell are you traveling with your lawyer? That should probably tell you that you probably knew that you were going to get arrested in the first place. You could have been warned by authorities that you needed to turn yourself in. So you had your lawyer there so that way they can make things easier and possibly talk you out of the situation. Well, there was no talking out of this situation. The New York Police Department, they arrested Tekashi and they're supposed to ship him to Houston, Texas. But what's crazy about this is that everyone is saying like this is unheard of to be arrested on a misdemeanor charge in another state across the country, right? And they're supposed to ship you on a misdemeanor charge. I told you guys this yesterday in my video. With everything that has been surrounding Tekashi, I feel like it's going to come full circle, man. We know that TMZ has video alleging that Tekashi was there in the SUV when allegedly Shotty got out, got on one knee and started busting caps. No arrests has been made in that situation. No arrests. We got the whole Chief Keef situation where he was shot at and police were investigating Tekashi on that. My theory, what Tekashi's been saying, look, I'm trying to stay out of trouble. I feel like he felt that he needed to chill out a little bit because things were getting too hot and something like this was going to happen. because all these different things that he's been involved in, man. I don't hope it's going to happen. I don't wish it's going to happen, but you guys got to understand, man. A lot of this stuff is going to come full circle. These situations are not just going to go away. Somebody is going to have to deal with them. I believe something is coming. They're handling this too tough. You guys let me know what's in the comment section below, man. Once again, it's being reported that Tekashi's mother cried in court today. I'm guessing her and his team, they thought that the judge was going to release him, but Tekashi is not going to be released anytime soon. His next court date is July the 20th. They hit Tekashi with no bail. So we'll see what happens, man.